Thank you for watching the Lonely Asian channel. Let me tell you a story how I got this basketball right here. So I don't know what's going on with guys these days. But the other day was such a lovely day, so I decided to go wash my car. Hey girl, what's your name? Oh, are you shy? Because I got my fingers stuck in my nose. Oh, what the fuck? Wow, can you believe that? He's the one who tries to hit on me and runs away while leaving his basketball. Thanks for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe right here. Really, right here.